move on to your questions. What do you have for me?
First of all, I will introduce myself. तर मी आता माझं ग्रॅज्युएशन कम्प्लीट केलं फ्रॉम संजय गोडावत युनिव्हर्सिटी इन
Okay.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स अँड टेलिकम्युनिकेशन इन
All right.
2019. या
Okay.
आणि त्यानंतर मी एक स्टार्टअप केला होता विच इज सेम लाईक डन्झो बट
Okay.
वी हॅव सम डिफरंट फीचर्स. त्यामध्ये थोडेसे डिफरंट फीचर होते
Okay.
बट आय हॅव क्विट दॅट स्टार्टअप. आणि इन डिसेंबर इटसेल्फ इन 2019 डिसेंबरमध्ये बँगलोर सिटीमध्ये एक स्टार्टअप आहे Quickie.in,
What is the
which is
name?
like okay,
What is the name?
Quickie.in.
Quickie.
The brand, yeah, Quickie. The brand name is Quickie.
Okay.
So तो स्टार्टअप आहे त्यामध्ये आता तो गव्हर्नमेंट पॉपकॉर्न आणि सिनेमा फूड, इट इज अ फूड टेक
Okay.
स्टार्टअप. तर
Okay.
त्यामध्ये वी आर राईट नाव वी आर सर्विंग 12 to 13 फ्लेवर्स ऑफ गव्हर्नमेंट पॉपकॉर्न. आणि अलॉंग विथ दॅट वी हॅव सम ऍडजस्टंट प्रोडक्ट्स ॲज वेल लाईक शेक्स, स्लायडर्स, गव्हर्नमेंट स्लायडर्स अँड ऑल. सो माझा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हा होता की करंटली आता बँगलोरमध्ये खूप चांगला रिस्पॉन्स मिळतोय
Correct.
स्टार्टअपला आणि द ट्रॅक्शन इज रिअली गुड. बट आता अशा स्टेजला आहोत की म्हणजे थोडंसं कोविडमुळे पण 4 to 5 months क्लोज डाऊन होता. बट करंटली आता एकतर फंड्स पण नाही आहेत आमच्याकडे तेवढे आणि रिस्पॉन्स पण चांगला आहे आणि आम्ही तेवढा स्केलवरती म्हणजे सेल्स जनरेट करत नाही आहोत.
Okay.
सो माझा क्वेश्चन होता की या स्टार्टअपला माझ्या मी कसं स्केल अप करू शकतो, ग्रो करू शकतो नेक्स्ट लेवलला ऍज अ ब्रँड इन अ गव्हर्नमेंट पॉपकॉर्न सेक्टर.
Okay. So I need to know first की तुझे किती सेल्स होत आहेत सध्या. So far किती सेल्स झाले आहेत?
आता
Tell me
डेली
income figure.
डेली आता सेल्स होतात आमचे 25 to 30 ऑर्डर्स डेली जातात
Daily.
अँड वी हॅव मेन सेल्स चॅनल्स थ्रू स्विगी, झोमॅटो अँड इंस्टाग्राम.
Okay. Wow.
The current sales channels are Swiggy, Zomato, Instagram, and our own website.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the one thing you are
And
lagging behind, according to you?
I feel की आम्ही थोडंसं मार्केटिंग मध्ये लॅग होतोय because we have spent a lot of money on paid advertisement and all. But तिथून आम्हाला जेवढा रिटर्न ऑन इन्व्हेस्टमेंट हवा तो एक्सपेक्टेड होता तेवढा नाहीये. आणि the product is really great because
All right. So product is really great. So people like reviews तुला येत आहेत की हे तू डिसाइड केलंय?
नाही रिव्ह्यूज येतात. यू कॅन चेक ऑन स्विगी, झोमॅटो ऍज वेल आणि इंस्टाग्राम वरती पण रिव्ह्यूज चेक करू शकता. रिव्ह्यूज खूप चांगले आहेत. म्हणजे लोकांना प्रोडक्ट आवडतोय. या
ओके. सो हे जे पेड ऍडव्हर्टायझिंग तू केलंयस राईट, सो ते कुठच्या प्लॅटफॉर्म्स वर केलंय? आय नीड टू नो.
पेड ऍडव्हर्टाइजमेंट जे होते फक्त आम्ही देर आर सम ऑफ लाईक इन्फ्लुएन्सर्स, सो आम्ही त्यांच्या सोबत कोलॅबोरेशन्स केले होते. सो तिथून आम्हाला तेवढा एक्सपेक्टेड म्हणजे जे हवं होतं ते नाही. रिटर्न ऑन इन्व्हेस्टमेंट.
that's expected. So सोशल मीडिया मध्ये तू पेड ऍडव्हर्टाइजमेंट स्टार्ट केलंय राईट? सो कुठच्या प्लॅटफॉर्म्स वर स्टार्ट केलंय तू? लाईक कुठच्या प्लॅटफॉर्म वर तू एक्सप्लोइट केलं? येस.
सो आता जो प्लॅटफॉर्म आहे तो वी आर टार्गेटिंग इंस्टाग्राम ओनली.
Instagram only.
Instagram only, yeah.
Okay, so
currently we have.
Tell me. Tell me.
Currently we have near 496 followers on Instagram. Yeah.
Okay. So you need to increase your followers more on Instagram itself, because हा जो sector आहे right, popcorn sector, food and drink sector, correct? So हा जो आहे तो एक वेगळा डोमेन आहे आणि ह्याच्यासाठी टार्गेट ऑडियन्स. I'll speak in English, okay? Yeah.
Okay, yeah, no problem.
Yeah, okay. So the sector that you're talking about, right, which comes under food and drinks, right? So this is you have to first figure out your target audience, and these target audience will be existing mostly on social media itself. And Instagram, Facebook, Twitter is the best platform to do so.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, first thing is that, and I need to know how much money have you invested so far in paid advertisement for Instagram?
Okay.
Yeah. Can you hear
currently
me?
we have right. Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
आतापर्यंत आम्ही 20 to 30 lakhs. Yeah.
Okay.
20 lakhs आतापर्यंत आम्ही ऍडव्हर्टाइज वरती पेड केले, बट त्यामधले जे पेड ऍडव्हर्टाइजमेंट वरती होते ते 4 to 5 lakhs आम्ही आतापर्यंत स्पेंड केले. या
Okay. So 4
या
to 5 lakhs मध्ये, so can you tell me through Instagram itself तुझा किती revenue झालाय? Only Instagram.
इंस्टाग्राम थ्रू आतापर्यंत रेव्हेन्यू जो जनरेट झाला असेल तो 1.5 लाख पर्यंत फक्त जनरेट झाला आता जो रेव्हेन्यू होता, बिकॉज करंटली राईट नाव वी आर जनरेटिंग 70,000 रेव्हेन्यू पर मंथ.
70,000 revenue per month.
70,000 per month, yeah.
Okay.
Post lockdown, yeah.
All right, post lockdown. So I think that's a good start, but 70,000 is not enough, right? I mean, considering your investments and paid advertisements and all your investments in ads and budgets and all. Okay. So what you can do is, have you started YouTube advertisement?
Not yet.
Not yet, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So food and drink is one industry, you know, whose target audience is mainly people like you and me. Okay, age group between 20 to 35. Okay, people, you know, people who will not think twice and go out there and, you know, popcorn is their thing to eat. That kind of people. People who are in their late 20s or early 20s and early 30s. Correct? So you need to figure out where these people exist first of all. So obviously it's Facebook and Instagram. And the second thing is, you know, these people exist more and more and online, where they are attracted through video media. I hope you're trying to get me. Okay. These people are attracted towards more and more video media, right? So if you're going out there and making different kind of commercials, video commercials, okay, and putting it out on YouTube ads, specifically YouTube ads, you'll be getting a whole lot of revenue. Now I'll give you an example. I had a, what do you say, 1 year back, I had a BDP student. Okay. Her startup was chocolate pastries. Chocolate pastries, because it was something she was doing right from her college days, and, you know, bakery and all was her passion. So she wanted to expand it further. So the number one thing that I told her was, obviously social media was in the picture, but number one thing I told her was, you have to keep on launching more and more video content. Okay, because people don't know about your brand yet. Okay, now you asked me the question, how do I, you know, make my company a brand? First thing is, you won't be getting any sales unless and until people know you. Correct? For people to know you, you need to become a brand first. Right? Now, instead of telling you what you should do, I will tell you, let's compare your startup to the other food companies in the market. Tell me, how do you think Swiggy and Zomato has marketed so far, and how they are doing? Okay, Swiggy and Zomato has captured Indian market in a way that no other company has within very less time. Okay, and its marketing is splendid. Now, where all Swiggy and Zomato markets, first thing is it makes TV commercial, and second thing is Swiggy and Zomato is everywhere on video content. If you go and check out Swiggy and Zomato's Instagram profile, right, it is not that good. Okay, there are just graphics and some animations. From experience, I'm telling you that Instagram profile is not that good. I always tell my BDP students to go out, reach out to these companies and propose them, you know, that I can help you out for Instagram marketing. The whole point of telling you this is, Swiggy and Zomato, you know, and other food companies, their Instagram profile is not good. So how exactly is their marketing penetrating Indian market so much is the question. The answer is video content. Okay. This video content, they are launching it on TV commercials. Now, there are our target audience, which is 20 to 35 years. Okay. Popcorn eating people. Correct. These people, they watch TV. So if they will be seeing TV commercials, they will be getting to know more about your brand. But nowadays, they are switching more to live streaming platforms. Like, let's just say YouTube. There are other video platforms as well. But YouTube is the major platforms. Correct. As like for me also, right, even if I don't use YouTube for entertainment, sometimes I use for entertainment, for other business purposes. YouTube is a part of everyone's life. But more than YouTube, what I want to highlight here is, people buy video content. People don't buy Instagram graphics. I hope you're trying to get me. Yes. So where a lot of
Yeah,
startup entrepreneurs, where they go wrong is after they get a lot of
I'm
funding,
getting.
they
Yeah,
just follow a set system. Okay. But just because the system, can you hear me,
okay.
Shubham? Can you hear me?
Yeah. I'm.
Yes.
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 Mainly, yeah,
Understand that just because a system works for a specific
yeah,
startup, it does not mean that that same system will work for each and every other startup as well. I hope you're
yeah,
getting me. So, what is the
yeah,
system that you've been following here? That once you get the investments, once you get the funding, go do it in Instagram ads, Facebook ads. That is the system you and
yeah,
everyone else is following. But that
yeah,
doesn't mean that is the best suitable system for you, right? If
yeah,
you go and check Instagram and Facebook paid advertisements, very expensive. Yes,
yeah,
and if you don't have the right
yes,
kind of content, the very, very right kind of content, like 30 to 40 lakhs in Instagram advertisement is waste only. You're not getting
yeah,
results, right? You're not getting the
yes,
expected results.
yeah,
Whole point of telling you this is don't follow the set system. Follow, just understand what is your startup, what kind of people will buy your product, and where these
okay,
kind of people exist online. Okay.
okay,
And these kind
okay,
of people, the only thing they're buying in the market is not 2D graphics, they're buying video content. So you need to go
yeah,
out there and make appealing video. That is exactly how you will be a brand. I'm telling you from experience. I hope you're
okay,
getting me,
yeah.
Shubham.